In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use forms in Monday.com. To get started, log into your Monday.com account and head to the board where you want to collect submissions. This is important because every form in Monday.com is connected to a specific board, which means each response will be sent directly there for you to review and manage. Once you're inside the correct board, click the form view at the top. This opens the form connected to that board, and from here you can see exactly what people will fill out when they submit information. Take a moment to review the form fields that are currently displayed. This helps you confirm whether the form already includes the information you want to collect. If you need to make changes, click Edit Form. In this area, you can customize the form so it matches your needs. You can add fields, remove any that aren't necessary, or rearrange them to improve the order and make the form easier for people to complete. As you set things up, configure which fields are required. Required fields are useful when there's certain information you always need before a submission can be accepted. After making your updates, save your form changes. It's always a good idea to double-check the layout before moving on, just to make sure the form is clear and organized. Next, click Share Form. This gives you the option to copy the form link, which you can then send to the people who need to complete it. You can share that link through whatever communication method works best for your team or audience. To understand the experience from the user side, open the form and enter information into the fields. Complete all required fields, since Monday.com won't allow the form to be submitted unless those are filled in. When everything is ready, click Submit. After submission, go back and click Results to view submitted responses. This allows you to confirm that the form is receiving entries correctly. You should also verify that each submission appears as a new item in the connected board. That connection is one of the most useful parts of using forms in Monday.com because it turns each response into something you can immediately track, sort, assign, and manage. Finally, review and manage submissions directly from the board. This is where you can continue your workflow, follow up on responses, and keep everything organized in one place. Thanks for watching.